So this one is October, November 2021. The most topic question. The question is when solid copper to nitrate is heated, it forms copper oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. That's a thermal decomposition because we have one reactant and we have more products. So we call these type of reactions as thermal decomposition. By the action of heat, we break down a chemical or a substance. We have to calculate the volume of nitrogen dioxide formed at room temperature and pressure when 4.7 grams of copper nitrate is heated. Use the following steps. So whenever in exam you're solving a moles question, you have to follow the steps which they provide. The first one, calculate the mass of 1 mole. What is the meaning of mass of 1 mole? Mass of 1 mole means we need a molar mass. So how we can find a molar mass of a copper 2 nitrate or a copper nitrate? So you have to use a periodic table for that, as we need for copper nitrate. So mass of 1 mole means molar mass, and we need for copper 2 nitrate. So CuNO3 in a bracket 2. So using this periodic table, first, what is the mass of a copper? What is the mass of a copper? How much copper?
64.
So copper 64 plus it is having a nitrogen. So you can see nitrogen. What is the mass of a nitrogen?
14.
And then because there are this 2 is there, so it means it is multiplied by 2, like total 2 nitrogen. And what is the mass of oxygen? It is 16. But how many oxygen are there? How many oxygen atoms
6.
are there? 6. 3 multiplied by 2. Yeah, 3 multiplied by 2 because this is 3 and this one is 2. So 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6. So 6 multiplied by 16, that's a total. So this will be 64 plus 28 plus 16 multiplied by 6. It will be 96. What is the sum? The total
188.
mass? 188. So the total mass or the mass of a 1 mole of copper nitrate is equals to 188. So the first part, as they asked, calculate the mass of a copper 2 nitrate or a copper nitrate. So we'll write as 188. So the answer here is 188. Then calculate the number of moles of copper nitrate used. So we have the mass of copper nitrate, which is 4.7. If I have the mass and I need the moles, so what I will use? Which formula?
The first.
So what is that formula? The first formula, that moles equal, yes. So moles equal mass in gram
Mass divided by molar mass.
By the molar mass. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole. Mass in gram is 4.7 and the molar mass we already calculated, that was 188. So 4.7 divided by 188. What's the final answer?
0.025.
0.025 moles are there for copper nitrate. So we have 0.025 moles are there for copper nitrate. Then determine the number of moles of nitrogen dioxide formed. So how to determine the moles of nitrogen dioxide? We don't have any information about nitrogen dioxide. So how to solve? We use this by formula. We solve this part by formula. Then what I should use to get the moles of nitrogen dioxide?
Ratio.
So we should use a ratio. So what is the ratio between and which 2 substances I should take a ratio, because we have copper nitrate and we need nitrogen dioxide. So we'll take a ratio between copper to nitrate and nitrogen dioxide. According to equation, the ratio is 2:4, or we can also say 1:2. So if 2:4 and this is 0.025, so this will be X. Cross multiply. What's the answer? Like it will be twice or double of 0.025. So it will be 0.05. Because it will be 2x equal to 4 into 0.025 and 2 is multiplied, other side will be divided, so it will be 0.025 divided by 2 and into 4. So we'll get 0.05, the double. Then calculate the volume. We need the volume So how to solve, which formula we will use? If we need a volume of a gas, not the solution, the volume of a gas. So what is the formula which include? Yeah.
Moles divided by 24.
Volume divided by.
Yeah, moles equal volume divided by 24. Volume of a gas in dm cube decimeter cube divided by 24. That's a formula. But we need the volume. So if we need the volume, it will be moles multiplied by 24, because 24 is divided, other side it will be multiplied. So the volume will be equal to, as this 24 divided, other side multiplied. So moles multiplied by 24. Moles of the gas we calculated 0.05, and the volume like it is 24 is mixed. So 0.05 multiplied by 24. What's the answer? How much? 0.05 multiplied by 24. So 0.025, 0.05 multiplied by 24. So the final answer will be 1.2 decimeter cube. So first we got 188. Then using a formula, we got 0.025. Then using a ratio, we got 0.05. And then again, so formula, ratio, formula. Is it clear how we did this question related to moles?
Yes.